Hello guys, welcome to a quick video. I want to show you how to reset your tire pressure on a Toyota Avalon. Okay. This is if you get like a new sensor and you put air on your tires and the light still comes on, and this is how you reset your tire pressure. Okay, so we're gonna go underneath right here, and as you can see, there's the button right there. So you're gonna press and hold until it goes away. Some of them you just press and it goes away. Yep, that's it. That's how you reset your tire pressure. Alright guys, if you find this helpful, please give me that thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Alright, we'll see you in another video.